Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave. Welcome back to another how-to video. In this video I will show you how to wipe all remote controls out of the memory of your ST50EVOB remote garage door opener. This process might become necessary because you have lost a remote controller. This is also a great precaution when you first have these garage door openers installed, just to ensure that whoever installed your garage door opener does not have access to your garage, because they may have programmed an extra remote for your garage door that they've kept for themselves. Now also keep in mind, once you have wiped the unit, you need to reprogram all your remotes that you want to work with this unit. So I'm going to show you now how to wipe the memory. You take this cover off and you'll see a number of buttons there, SP and a plus and a minus. So what you need to do, you need to press and hold the S button till the light comes on, and then once you've done that, hold it for a further 8 seconds. So the light's on now, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can hold it a bit longer just to make sure. And now you release the button, and now all the memory of this unit should be wiped out. So let's give it a try and see if it actually worked. Now here's the remote control. I was previously working with that controller. Let's press the button and see what happens. Okay, it no longer works. So that is how you wipe the memory of your ST50EVOB garage door opener. Now, as I said earlier, none of the remote controls that were previously paired to this unit will now work. So right at this moment, there's no controller that will open this garage door. Now, if you found this video useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the garage door opener, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.